Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if Safari couldn't load your page, so how you can fix it. So first thing you need to try, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here general, and in the general you need to tap on software update and just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So this is a way how you can also first way try to fix it. And another way you can try, just go to the general again, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the error, so you can also just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So if it doesn't help, if you still have the error, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on reset and just try to reset network settings and just submit resetting network settings. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.